Now we've made our fudge. We've let it sit for 4 hours. And as you can see here, maybe it didn't fully set to be kind of thick and hard. Maybe that's part of the fudge, or part of the bacon grease, sorry, I don't know. Maybe it needs more time to set. Never really made fudge before, so this is the first time. I'm kind of wondering if maybe I didn't fully let it sit, or if I didn't mix up something right. This first time making fudge. It's still really good. Much more of a gooey fudge. But sweet, salty, of course bacony. If you do make fudge regularly, you'll put in the comments down below. Maybe something I didn't do right. Definitely always willing to learn. Because I made a very gooey fudge. If you like this video, like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.